Hey, time travelers! Welcome back to the channel. You might be wondering why I'm calling you that. Well, since we're learning about tenses, past, present, and future, it's like we're traveling through time in every lesson. So buckle up and let's explore the world of tenses together. In English, there are three main tenses: past, present, and future. Each of these tenses has different forms and uses. Now let's dive into the past tense, which is all about actions and events that have already happened. Whether it's something you did yesterday, last year, or even moments ago, the past tense helps us express those completed actions clearly. Now that we've covered the past, let's shift our focus to the present tense. This tense helps us talk about actions happening right now, routines, or even facts that are always true, whether you're describing what you do daily or stating universal truths. Now that we've covered the present tense, let's move on to the future tense. The future tense helps us talk about actions that are yet to happen. It helps us talk about our plans, predictions, promises, or any action that is anticipated to occur later. Now that we've covered the three main tenses, past, present, and future, let's dive a little deeper. Each of these tenses is further divided into four subcategories: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. This gives us a total of 12 tenses in English. These variations help us express different nuances of time and action more precisely. Let's take a look at how each of these 12 tenses work. I'll show you some examples for each of the 12 tenses. This will help clarify how each tense works in context and how we can express time and actions more accurately. Let's take a look. Here are the 12 tenses for I read, including their formulas. Simple present tense. Present continuous tense. Present perfect tense. Present perfect continuous tense. Simple past tense. Past continuous tense. Past perfect tense. Past perfect continuous tense. Simple future tense. Future continuous tense. Future perfect tense. Future perfect continuous tense. Let's see one more example. Simple present tense. Present continuous tense. Present perfect tense. Present perfect continuous tense. Simple past tense. Past continuous tense. Past perfect tense. Past perfect continuous tense. Simple future tense. Future continuous tense. Future perfect tense. Future perfect continuous tense. And that wraps up our journey through the 12 tenses in English. We've seen how each tense works. The key to mastering these tenses is practice, so try using them in your writing or conversations. Remember, language is a tool, and the more you use it, the better you get at expressing yourself clearly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more language tips and examples. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!